Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on rotating a photo on an iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Photos app on your phone, then open the photo that you would like to rotate. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Then tap Crop from the bottom menu. Tap the square with an arrow above it in the top left corner to rotate the image. Keep tapping it until the image is in the orientation that you want. Then tap Done in the top right corner. Your image will be saved in the orientation that you changed it to. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.